So here we have Botley, the learning robot, who has a remote control, and the robot itself is here. He will also follow black lines, but not as well as he follows his remote control. So we're going to demo what the remote control does with Botley. We set up a little course here, and you can see we have cards here telling Botley and kind of reminding us what we want Botley to do. So you can follow the course and get to the cheese, which is actually from another one of our kits, and complete his course. So I'm going to start by telling Botley to go forward. You have the green. So we doubled the size of this course. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I want Botley to turn right. And then I'm going to have him go forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then turn left. And then to get to his cheese, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. And then all I need to do to set Botley in motion is hit this green button at the top. And he'll do his little noises. The algorithm I did works. Ooh. Getting there. Oh, so close. Awesome.